everyone. In the last class we started a new chapter, that is length, right? Yes, my dear one, in the last class you learnt about how to measure a given object using a ruler, right? Yes, so now once again we will revise by doing some problems. So all of you look here. So the first one is standard unit of length. Yes, now you tell me which is the standard unit of length. It is meter. So write down here meter. Right? So next, short form of meter is, what is the short form of meter? This short form is small m. Right? What about the short form of centimeter? It is cm. Right? This is a short form of centimeter. So now come here third one. 1 meter is equals to dash centimeter. So 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. Right? So write down here 100. Okay? Students, with the help of this ruler, you know how to measure a given object. Right? Yes. So now come to our today's new concept. So do you know what is that? You don't know, right? So in this class, I am going to teach about addition and subtraction of the lengths. Yes, students. So come to our today's concept, that is addition and subtraction of lengths. Right? So in that first, I am doing addition problems. The first one is addition of lengths. Right? So here is the first problem. What is this? Add 20 centimeter and 30 centimeter. Students, already you know how to add the numbers, right? Yes. So what is 5 plus 3? So 5 plus 3 is 8, right? So 5 plus 3 is 8. But now we are adding a length here. Okay? See here. Here is a 20 centimeter and 30 centimeter. If you add these two numbers, you are getting a new number, right? So at the end of this number, you have to add centimeter. Which unit they gave, that unit you have to mention it. Don't forget to mention this a centimeter or a meter or a kilometer. Okay? If you forget to write this units, you will lose marks. Okay? So first I will show how to add this number. So students, the first step is you have to write down the given numbers in an order. So which is the first number? It is 20 centimeter, right? So write down here 20 centimeter like this. At the end, write down here cm. This is a centimeter. So next, which is the second number? That is 30 centimeter. So below this number, write down 30 centimeter. Right? After that, draw a line. The next we are doing addition operation, right? So you have to keep the symbol of addition, that is plus, right? So next, what is the next step? You have to add the numbers from ones place after tens place, right? So here is only a 2-digit number. So first you have to add the numbers in ones, later tens, right? So first we have to add these two numbers, 0 plus 0. What is 0 plus 0? 0 plus 0 is again a 0, right? So write down this 0 below these numbers. Okay? So next step, come to the tens column. So 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. What is 2 plus 3? 2 plus 3 is 5. So write down this 5. 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. So 20 centimeter plus 30 centimeter is equals to 50. Is this correct? No. 50 after you should write a centimeter here. Now it is correct. Right? So students, what is our sum? Here 50 centimeter is our sum. Students, see here 20 centimeter plus 30 centimeter is equals to a 50 centimeter. Right? Like that you have to solve the given problems. So now come to the second problem. It is 75 centimeter and a 23 centimeter. Okay. So first, which number are you writing at first? 75, right? So write down here 75 centimeter. Right? So next second number is 23 centimeter. So write down here 23 centimeter below this number. Right? So next you have to add this number using the symbol of addition, that is plus. See, first you have to add the numbers in ones column. 5 plus 3. What is 5 plus 3? Yes, 5 plus 3 is 8. So write down 8 here. So we finished this one. So now come to the second one, that is a tens column. 7 plus 2. What is 7 plus 2? 7 plus 2 is 9. So write down here 9. So 75 centimeter plus 23 centimeter is equals to 98 centimeter. Write down here centimeter. Right? So students, 75 centimeter plus 23 centimeter is equals to 98 centimeter. Students, so come to the third problem. So here already I am arranging in an order, right? So first you have to start to add the numbers from ones place after tens place. See, 4 plus 7. What is 4 plus 7? 4 plus 7 is 11, right? So 4 plus 7 is 11. Are you writing directly this 11 here? Is this a correct method? No, right? Directly writing this 11, it is a wrong, right? You should regroup it, right? It is 11 ones, right? So 11 ones I am regrouping as 1 tens plus 1 ones, right? See here, 11 ones I am regrouping as 1 tens and 1 ones. Already you know 1 tens is equals to 10 ones, right? So instead of 10 ones I am writing this 110, right? So this is a 1 ones. So I am writing this 1 under the columns of ones. So now I am writing this 1 under the columns of ones, because this 4 and 7 they are in ones column, right? So I am writing 1 here. Next I am writing this 110 above the tens column, right? So now come to the tens column. See, 3 plus 8. What is 3 plus 8? 3 plus 8 is again 11. So 11 and this carry over number, that is 1. 11 plus 1, it is 12. So write down here this 12. Right? It is 121 centimeter. Right? So students, 34 centimeter plus 87 centimeter is equals to 121 centimeter. Right? So now come to the last problem, that is 53 centimeter plus 9 centimeter. Right? So first we have to add the numbers in ones column, right? Those are 3 and 9. So what is 3 plus 9? 3 plus 9 is equals to 12, right? It is 12 ones, right? So this 12 ones I am writing as a 110 plus 2 ones, because already you know 110 is nothing but 10 ones, right? 10 ones plus this 2 ones is again 12 ones. 12 ones, right? So I am writing this 2 ones here, and next I am writing this 110 in the tens column, right? So now come to the last column, 5 plus 0. What is 5 plus 0? 5 plus 0 is again a 5, right? 5 plus this 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. So write down here 6. 60. This is 62 centimeter, right? So what is our sum? 53 centimeter plus 9 centimeter is equals to 62 centimeter, right? Students, so now you learn how to add the lengths. Right? So now I will move to the textbook activity. So all of you open your textbook. See here in the page number 93, here is an exercise number 2.3. Right? So now I will show one problem how to solve it. The remaining problems you have to do in your home. Okay? Students, so this is an exercise number 2.3. Its headline is add. Okay? So come to the first one. It is 45 centimeter plus 34 centimeter. So you know already how to add the numbers. Okay? If you are solving these problems very easily. Right? So just I showed how to solve it. Right? So now I will show the first problem. The remaining problems you have to do in your home. Right? See here. First 5 plus 4. What is 5 plus 4? 5 plus 4 is a 9. Right? So write down here 9. So next come to the next column, that is tens. So 4 plus 3. What is 4 plus 3? 4 plus 3 is 7. So write down here 7. So after adding the numbers, so write down this centimeter here. It is a very important. Okay. See 45 centimeter plus 34 centimeter. It gives the sum as 79 centimeter. Okay. So remaining problems you solve in your home. Okay. Students, so now come to the next one, that is a subtraction of lengths. So come to the first problem. It is subtract 10 centimeter from 40 centimeter. See in subtraction, which number are you writing at first? Yes. So here you are going to subtract a 10 centimeter from 40 centimeter. Right? So you have to write down this 40 centimeter at first. See, I am writing here 40 centimeter. So next write down this 10 centimeter. See 10 centimeter. Right? So here you are going to subtract this 10 centimeter from 40. Right? So you have to write down 40 centimeter at first. Next write down the 10 centimeter. Right? So now you have to subtract the numbers from ones after tens place. Because here is only a 2-digit number. Right? Yes. Come to the first one, that is ones. 0 minus 0. What is 0 minus 0? 0 minus 0 is again a 0. Right? 0 minus 0 is 0. Write down here. So next come to tens column. So 4 minus 1. Here is a 4, right? In that you have to subtract 1. Yes. How many fingers are left now? After subtracting, the 3 fingers are left here, right? So 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay. So 40 centimeter minus 10 centimeter. It gives the difference as 30 centimeter. Here also we have to write down centimeter. Right? So students, the difference is 30 centimeter. Okay. So now come to the second problem. Subtract 25 centimeter from 100 centimeter. So which number are you writing at first? Yes, you have to write down the number 100 centimeter. Because you are subtracting the number 25 from 100. Right? So write down 100 first. 100 centimeter. So next write down this 25. See 100 it is a 3-digit number. But this 25 it is a 2-digit number. It has only a ones and a tens. There is no 100 place here. So write down only in the place of ones as well as tens. Okay. So write down here centimeter. Next you have to subtract these two numbers. Put a symbol of subtraction, that is minus here. Right? Yes. So first come to the ones column. 0 minus 5. 0 minus 5. Is it possible to subtract? No. You cannot subtract 5 from 0. Right? So you have to take a borrow from the tens row. Right? See here is a tens place. Right? So in that how many tenses are there? Here only a 0 tenses. Okay. So next you move to the next room, that is a hundreds column. right? In hundreds column, here is only 100. So, we are taking borrow from hundreds column, right? See students, this 100 is there. So, 100 is nothing but 100 is equals to 10 tens, right? First, this tens column taking borrow as a 100. So, 100 is nothing but 10 tens, right? So, it is 10 tens, right? So, after now this tens room gives borrow as a 10 ones. Yes, already you know 10 ones is nothing but 10, right? 110 is equals to 10 ones. See here. Now it becomes 10 ones. Okay. So now we have to subtract this. See, after giving borrow means after giving borrow this 10 tens becomes 9 tens. It becomes 9 tens. Okay. 9 tens it is now. Okay. See now 10 minus 5. What is 10 minus 5? 10 minus 5 is again a 5. So write down here 5. Right. So now come to the tens column. Here is 9 tens. 9 tens minus 2 tens. So 9 minus 2 is 7. So write down here 7. Right. So come to the hundreds column. Only 100 is there, right? After giving borrow, this 100 becomes 0 hundreds. Right? So here is there is no number, so I am writing 0 here. 0 minus 0 is again a 0. Right? So 100 centimeter minus 25 centimeter, it gives the difference as 75 centimeter. See students, look here. 0 minus 5, it is not possible to subtract. So we can take a borrow from tens column. Okay. But in the tens room also, there is no number, only 0 is there. So we will take borrow from hundreds column. Right. So in hundreds column, here is only 100. Okay. First it gives 100 as a borrow to the tens column. Right. So it is now 10 tens, right? So 10 tens, this tens room, next it will this 10 tens, it gives a borrow to the ones column. Okay, so now already you know 110 is equals to 10 ones. So 10 ones, 10 minus 5 is 5. So after giving borrow, this 10 tens becomes 9 tens and this 100 becomes 0, right? Okay students, now I will move to the next problem. So all of you look here. Students, so come to the third problem. It is 530 centimeter minus 60 centimeter, right? So first you have to solve the numbers in ones room, right? So 0 minus 6. 0 minus 6, is it possible to subtract? No, right? So you can take a borrow from tens column, right? Here is a 3 tens, right? We are taking 1 10 as a borrow from tens room, tens column, right? So now it is 10 ones. After giving borrow, this 3 tens becomes 2 tens, right? Yes. 10 minus 6. What is 10 minus 6? So here is a 10 fingers, right? In that you have to subtract 6. See here 5, 1, 6. How many fingers are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. After subtraction, 4 fingers are left here. So 10 minus 6 is 4. Right? So now come to the tens column. It is 2 minus 1. What is 2 minus 1? 2 minus 1 is 1. So write down here 1. So next, come to the hundreds column. Here is only one number, that is 5. Here the 100 place is absent here. So you have to write down 0 here. Okay. So 5 minus 0 is 5. 540 centimeter. 530 centimeter minus 16 centimeter. It gives the difference as 540 centimeter. So come to the last problem. It is 990 centimeter minus 778 centimeter. Okay, so first you have to subtract the numbers in ones column, right? It is 0 minus 8. 0 minus 8, is it possible to subtract? We cannot, right? So what can we do? We can take a borrow from tens column. So here is a 9. So here 0 will borrow 110 from tens column, right? So now it is 10 ones. So after giving borrow, this 9 becomes 8, right? So 10 minus 8. What is 10 minus 8? 10 minus 8 is 2. Write down here 2. Right? So next come to the tens column. 8 minus 7. What is 8 minus 7? See, here is a 8 fingers, right? In that you have to subtract 7. See here. How many fingers are left here? Only 1, right? 8 minus 7 is 1. So next come to the hundreds column. It is 9 minus 7. So what is 9 minus 7? 9 minus 7 is 2. It is 212 centimeter. Students, 990 centimeter minus 778 centimeter, it gives the difference as 212 centimeter. Right? So students, until now you learned how to subtract a length, right? So now I will move to the textbook activity. So all of you open your textbook and open the page number 94. See here is the page number 94 in the exercise number 2.4. Right? Students, so this is an exercise number 2.4. Its headline is subtract. So come to the first problem. It is 42 centimeter minus 21 centimeter. So first you have to solve the numbers in ones column. That is 2 minus 1. Right? What is 2 minus 1? 2 minus 1 is 1. Right? So write down here 1. So next 4 minus 2. What is 4 minus 2? 4 minus 2 is 2. Right? So 4 minus 2 is 2. Write down here. So next write down here centimeter. See, 42 centimeter minus 21 centimeter, it gives the difference as 21 centimeter. Right? Now come to the second one. It is 776 centimeter minus 22 centimeter. So first you have to solve the numbers in ones column. That is 6 minus 2. What is 6 minus 2? 6 minus 2 is 4. Right? Write down here 6 minus 2 is 4. So next 7 minus 2. See, here is a 7 finger, right? 7 fingers, right? In that you have to subtract 2. How many fingers are left here? After subtraction, 5 fingers are left. 7 minus 2 is 5. So now come to the hundreds column. Here is only one number, that is 7. There is no number here, right? So I am writing 0 here. 7 minus 0 is 7. It is 754 centimeter. Students, 776 centimeter minus 22 centimeter, it gives the difference as 754 centimeter. Right? So students, I solved the first 2 problems. So remaining 10 problems you have to solve in your home. Right? So students, until now you learned how to add and how to subtract the lengths. Right? In the next class I will teach you a word problems. Right? Please solve the remaining problems in the exercise number 2.3 and also in the exercise number 2.4. Okay students? Bye.